Need mouth-watering jerk dishes, side orders and soup? Don't worry. Good afternoon everyone, welcome to Jamaica Attractions No Limit, and today we are featuring the Scotchies Jerk Centre, Ochorios. So sit back, get your taste buds and enjoy our virtual tour of this wonderful jerk centre. The Scotchies Jerk Centre, Ochorios, is conveniently located in St.ann, just about 10 minutes drive west of town centre, Ochorios. The Scotchies Jerk Centre is one of St. Ann's popular jerk centre. It is popularly named for using hot sauces which are typically made with pimento, allspice, ginger, thyme, hot peppers, cinnamon, and nutmeg that they dry rub onto their chicken, pork, fish, vegetable, and so on. So what makes this jerk centre stands out? Well, while other places rake their meat over coal and metal sheets, Scotchies Jerk Centre places logs of pimento wood over grill, which gives the meat a smoked hickory flavor. The Scotchies Jerk Centre prepares one of the best jerk or grill meals daily. The grill is constantly on fire with incredible, delicious jerk chicken, pork, and even fish, always just an order away. Side dishes include fries, yam, sweet potato, rice and peas, corn, bami, breadfruit, and Jamaican festival. It also houses a state-of-the-art bar where you can get your favorite liquor items. The compound of the Scotchies Jerk Centre is quite spacious with numerous amount of outdoor seatings. These seatings are surrounded by wonderful plants which provide a spectacular scenic view. There is also an open parking lot at the front where you can park, but remember, you gotta park there at your own risk. Thank you, my No Limits, for watching. Please remember to hit that notification bell, leave a subscription to get weekly videos from Jamaica attractions No Limit.